How's it going, everybody? Today's an exciting day for me because we are going to throw on my brand new set of wheels and tires for my 2018 High Country. I ordered these wheels back in December of 2024. It's now April and 2025, and you can see up here in Canada, all the snow and everything's gone. It's starting to look like summer again, and I'm stoked. I can't wait to get these on the truck. Now for the wheels, I went with a set of the new Fuel Fusion Forged. I'll show you guys which rim design I did in specific and the colorway in a little bit, unless I showed it in the beginning of the video. And for tires, I went with a set of Toyo Open Country, so the AT3s. I'll give you guys a quick little walk around of the truck before we head over to the wheel and tire shop, and then we'll get right to it. All right, figured I'd do a little before and after here of the truck with how it's currently sitting. So as I mentioned, it's a 2018 Silverado High Country, so it's a 1500. It's fully loaded. The previous owner who I bought it from put about a 3-inch leveling kit on the front end, so it sits about flush or maybe a little higher than the back end. And I love the way the stance is on this currently. And as far as wheels, it's got the 20-inch stock High Country, and you know, they look good for a stock wheel. It's got a set of Goodyear Wranglers on it now. We'll swing around to the rear end of the truck here. I'll show you what it's looking like. So with the stock wheels, we're probably sitting 2 to 3 inches inside the fender flares, which, you know, it doesn't look horrible. I like these wheels, but I think with the aftermarket ones that I went with, it's gonna complement it really well. And you know, I didn't go with a crazy offset that'll stick out. You know, there's guys with 3/4 of the tire sticking out. So I went with the -18 with a 1250/20 tire. So it should fill this out pretty perfect. I'm really stoked on how it's going to turn out, and I can't wait to see it. So I also got a set of custom mud flaps all the way around for this truck that are waiting to go on. So I think you guys are really going to like those. That'll probably be in the next video. We'll also take off these stock running boards, so it'll make the truck sit a little taller. It'll look a little bit more aggressive. So I say let's go take this thing over to the wheel and tire shop and let's see how it looks. Alright, here's how it's sitting now. Back from the wheel and tire shop, I'm beyond stoked with how this thing turned out. Turned out absolutely unreal. I just shot some cinematic videos of this thing, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. The paint and the wheels, the tires, everything just goes so well together. And as far as fitment, it is beyond perfect. So 12.5 wide tire, 20 by 10, -18 rim, and the offset is perfect. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. I'll try and wrap it up for you guys, but next thing is going to be the mud flaps going on here. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll try and answer them, and see you guys in the next one.